Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we'll be looking at how to um, update with Jenkins, or how to apply updates to Jenkins, and we might install the Blue Ocean plugin. So let's get started. I go to manage Jenkins. This is how the update screen looks like in plugin manager. There's nothing here because it's a new blank installation. I'm just going to go ahead and install a few plugins. Here we go. I've selected some GitHub plugins which will install GitHub integration, GitHub pull request, and a few other GitHub, like GitHub pipeline for Blue Ocean. I just selected Blue Ocean because I was gonna install Blue Ocean anyways. So the main one is a GitHub integration because I want to be able to pull code from GitHub. Most of the jobs I'll be creating will be pipeline jobs, which will be grabbing files from a GitHub repository and then run scripts on GitHub repository. So that has been installed, GitHub integration. Now I'm going to go ahead and look for Blue Ocean. I'm in the wrong screen. Blue Ocean, dashboard, personalization, pipeline editor. Let's do just that for now. It has finished installing Blue Ocean, so I'm just going to restart Jenkins. There you go. Refreshing. Let's save. Back to Upgrade Center. So let's go to Jenkins. There should be an option to open Blue Ocean on the, there we go, Blue Ocean. Perfect. Alright. So we can start creating new pipelines. So let's do that. I'm gonna just say GitHub. Access token to authorize. That's alright. I'm just gonna switch back to the classic view. Say pipeline. New pipeline job's gonna be print something. Just put an underscore. Description can be print something. It's not a GitHub project. Can pass a parameter. That's a string. Choice. Boolean. String, there it is. And let's call that environment name. Default value, let's say dev. And I'm not going to use any of these options because I don't want them to auto build or delete. So here, yeah, script is fine because I can just type it in. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's fine. just hello world would do. Now instead of echo, I'm gonna use groovy println you are in $dev underscore name. So we don't need that. Make it double quote. And plus. So this should work. So let's save and run. Build with parameters. Because we made it a parameter, it comes up with build with parameters, otherwise it would just say build. So it's trying to print. Okay, there we go. It says hello, you're in dev. That's good. We could do a whole heap of things. I have some code on GitHub that I can run. So yep, we can do that. Let me have a look. So guys, I'm creating another job to build an app. That's what I named the app. It's not parameterized, and it's just gonna use one command for the pipeline script. I'm just gonna check out one Git repository. I was gonna build it, but I don't have the build tools installed on this machine yet. So it's gonna get the branch master, and it's gonna get it into a folder called mapper, and it's gonna bring it in from this particular repository. So if I just save this and build, this should just git clone. So let's just check out the console log, and there it says it's started by admin, who's the user, and it runs as Jenkins. That's who it's running as. And it says, okay, I'm trying to git clone this repository, and that's the message that you got, and that's the commit that it brought in, and that's the yeah, that's the message, the commit message. You could also add something here. So let's go back to configure, scroll down to the bottom. Here we go. And let's say we want to do shell who am I, and I also want to print something. Print line print line uname minus a, and now I might have to use sh. Let's see what happens. Build now. It should fail, ideally. Okay, just print it. Okay, because it just printed it as text. It didn't run it as a command. And see, it says who am I is Jenkins. So that's the user. So it's about 9 minutes this video, so I'll just stop it here, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.